Hello everyone, this is Zeeshan and welcome to Zinteractive. In today's class, we will learn how to make this our jacket more thicker and fluffy. So first of all, what I will do here is that I will take all these patterns, move it down. Okay, and right click here, go to add background and remove this for now. Okay. Now some of the part are already been kind of like cloned over and they are thicker like these parts. So I will move them apart as well as this part. Okay, well, let's move them so they won't annoy us later on. Okay, now what we need to do is that we have to clone the other parts, and as like this one also, I will keep it here because we don't want to clone this one. I think I just mistakenly moved there. Yeah. Okay. Now these we can select, right click, clone over or under. It's totally up to you. So I will choose clone over and put it somewhere here. Okay, and now I can do the same thing. The color, right click, clone over. And here we go. So now if I simulate it, so you can see it will become kind of thick. Okay, and one more thing we can do here is select all these, another simulation, change it to 5. Okay, and this way it will not look weird like balloon. Okay, so it is simulating now. And you can see that it looks much super much better. Okay. So in the next class, we will work on the tweaking of our layers. Okay, so I hope you guys like this tutorial. So if you guys like my videos and have not subscribed to my channel yet, so please do it and hit the bell icon. To support my channel, please watch my videos online and do not download them. Otherwise, I won't get any benefit out of it and it will demotivate me to make further videos. So please champion my channel and like my videos if you find them useful. So take care guys, stay safe, stay healthy and keep learning on Zinteractive, your own training institute. If you're enjoying this series and want to binge watch the whole course without waiting for next lesson, then join my Zinteractive Early Bird membership plan. Once you are an active member, you will be able to binge watch all the courses without waiting for lessons to get published. Moreover, you can support my channel by joining Zinteractive Friends membership plan. You will get a lot of perks with that also.